Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. It's time for another edition of Scootervision. This week we went out to the 2023 Rumble at the Ranch 2 Burnout Competition, Car Show, and Pinup Contest. There were a lot of awesome cars. Check out the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Be back in a minute. Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and I'm out here today at the Rumble at the Ranch 2. And I don't know if you're getting this because there's not very good internet out here, but I'm going to take you on a little ride around. We got burnouts, we got all kinds of stuff going on out here today. But it also is a car show, so we have all kinds of cars out here as well. I just thought I'd take you on a little ride around so you can see some of the cars. I mean, you can look out here and you can see there's cars as far as you want to look. I mean, there's everything out here. We got rat rods, we got classics, we got modern. Everything's out here. So, I just want to take you on a quick little ride around while we have a break in the action at the burnout pit. And see, there's the dashboard looking all glorious as usual. Anyway, back to the action. As you can see, we got all kind of stuff out here. We got Buicks, we got Mazdas, we got Broncos, we got the Pontiac Club out here. We got some old Firebirds, a couple of GTOs. Got some GMCs, we got some Corvettes. Yeah, they're also having a pinup contest out here later. I might do some videos from that. I don't know if I'm still going to be here because, like I said in my previous live stream, got some other events today. But anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little ride around. It's rough ground out here, but anyway, so you can see what we got. Ooh, there's an axe sticking out of that one. Hey you! Yeah, you! If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos,
leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.